I'm recording this video 1 year post bilateral hip replacement as much of a personal log, as well as just if anyone wants to ask questions at all, if they're coming up to a hip replacement or they've had a hip replacement, then they can post them in the comments and I'll try and get back to them as soon as possible. Things to point out really is that I don't get any pain anymore. The operation's been very successful, so the main thing that drove me to have the operation in the first place was I was getting really bad quality sleep, but fortunately ever since the operation I sleep right through. The advice from my consultant was that I shouldn't take up running as a hobby, but fortunately, as well as these exercises on the screen, which I do 2 or 3 times a week, just basic ones in the evening while watching TV, I also do swimming as my main exercise and do that about 3 or 4 times a week as well. I occasionally get clicking in my left hip when I'm walking, just at the front, but fortunately I don't get any pain with that. If you're interested, the exercise shown here, mainly for strengthening the hips and the legs, just using a TherabAnd in a variety of poses, sitting and standing. So the first lot were mainly for the gluteal muscles. The sit to stand is mainly for the leg muscles all over in the lower limb. The resisted exercise shown here is for the quadriceps, and then at the end just standing up doing some resisted TheraBand heel raises, which are for mainly the calves. I still work full-time as a specialist physiotherapist, and my diet generally is healthy, so that contributes to good well-being as well. If you've got any questions, please post them in the comments.